Are you ready to take your cooking skills to the next level? The right roasting pan can transform your culinary experience. Roasting is simpler when you use a quality pan. A single pan can create a succulent chicken and perfectly caramelized veggies. We've examined the market's best options. Here are the top picks for 2026 based on airflow, heat distribution, and stovetop compatibility. First up is the Viking 3-ply stainless steel roasting pan. It delivers unbeatable performance and heat distribution. Next, the Cuisinart Multiclad Pro is ideal for value and versatility. The Farberware non-stick roaster is perfect for budget-conscious cooks. Lastly, the Caraway roasting pan offers a stunning aesthetic and is non-toxic. Why are these pans suitable? They ensure engineered thermal uniformity for even cooking. Each pan features airflow architecture for 360-degree heat. They manage moisture effectively to avoid soggy skin and are stovetop compatible. When selecting a roasting pan, consider the size. A 16 inches by 13 inches option is great for a 5-pound chicken. Ensure the handles provide stability, especially when moving a heavy pan. For perfect roasting, remember to preheat your pan. This sets the stage for crisp vegetables. Don't cover the pan to keep the skin crispy. Start roasting at high heat for the best results. To choose your perfect roasting pan, for heavy-duty use, pick the Viking 3-ply. For the best value, go for the Cuisinart Multiclad Pro. If you prioritize aesthetics, choose the Caraway roasting pan. Are you ready to create mouth-watering meals? Find your ideal pan today.